Hi friends, today I am going to explain MEMS. What is MEMS? MEMS generally stand from micro electromechanical system. So what is MEMS? So MEMS, that means developed by four words. Micro, that means small size. You can say micro fabricated structure. That is the MEMS. Sorry, macro. And electro, that means electrical signal and electrical controls. You can say that. And mechanical. So using this small size electrical signal to develop to fabricate a mechanical structure. So you can say mechanical functionality. And system, that means a structure, device, system control. So micro electromechanical system are the process technology used to create a tiny integrated devices. That means you can I'm talking about that is the combined of mechanical and electrical branches. So they fabricated use integrated circuits, batch processing techniques. That means his lots billions of billions of objects are integrated in a single chips. So that is the, and his range in size in few micrometer to millimeters. So that is very good advantage. So his size is reduced day by day by using the MEMS technology. So this is MEMS technology. Different MEMS varies in different part in the world. So some countries are called MEMS, and some other parts of countries called microsystem technology, or micro machining device. So interdisciplinary nature of MEMS utilize designing, engineering, and manufacturing expert from the wide and diverse range of technical area, including integrated circuit fabrication technology, mechanical branch, mechanical science, electrical engineering, chemistry, and chemical engineering, as well as fluid engineering. So also include optics instrumentation and packing. So recently lots of applications are in your life. So you can see inkjet printer is a very most important MEMS developing using MEMS technology to make these inkjet printers. And some medicals biomems are also used, like blood pressure sensor. So it is used in a inside implement inside the body of the patients, and his recover take some time after. So here I am divide some component of MEMS. So first one is a micro sensor. You can see here, sorry, component of MEMS, that's mean micro sensor, micro actuators, microstructure, and microelectronics. So basically is MEMS developed by four branches. Without these four branches, we can't develop all the product are correlated, are correlated to each other. So we can't develop without using microelectronics, microsensor, and microstructure and microelectronics. So with the help of all four branches, we can develop a MEMS device. So microsensor, what is microsensor? So microsensor data is gathering data from the environment and pass data to microelectronics for processing, and can monitor mechanical, thermal, biological, chemical, opticals, and magnetic readings. So microelectronics data comes from the microsensor, and is received like a brain type and to make a decision. So another is micro actuators. So micro actuators act as a trigger to activate external device, and microelectronics will tell micro actuator to activate device. Microstructure, extremely small structure built on the surface of chip. So now I am going to talking about history about MEMS. So first in 1947, the first invent point contact transistor in 1947 from three scientists. His name is William Shockley, John Bardeen, and Brattain. His invent in 1947 point contact transistor in Bell telephone laboratory. So you can see here the picture of this first contact point contact transistor. So this is, and this time the first time in engineering device to provide a Nobel Prize, and this discovery in 1954 got Nobel Prize from this discovery. Sorry, the 1956, the first time in Nobel Prize awarded in emerging this device. And in 1958, you can see here the diagram of the first integrated circuit is developed by J.S. Kelby in a same Bell Laboratory, and his you can see the picture of this, the first integrated device to use to MEMS technology. And another is 1959, and this sorry, and this discovery he got Nobel Prize in 2000. So that is take a more time, 1958 to 2000, but he's got Nobel Prize in this invention. So in 1959, another scientist is named Feynman give the milestone presentation at the California Institute of Technology, and his publics offering $1,000 to the first person to create an electrical motor a smaller than 1 by 64 of inches. So that is very good invent by great scientist Feynman. And 1961 the first silicon pressure sensor are developed by using the MEMS technology. And 1967 the first surface micro machining white house create to resonant gate field effect transistor. So that is another good invent by using MEMS technology. And 1970 the first silicon accelerometer demonstrate. So that accelerometer is as compared to previous, and now MEMS after making using MEMS technology is very different. So in a mass, if you consider the mass is approx 1.6 kg, but MEMS accelerometer is approx 10 gram. So that is the very difference. And also power supply is as compared to more, and also power cost is approx $20,000, but and MEMS accelerometer is cost is almost $500. So very difference in the cost. And in 1979 the first micro machine inkjet printer nozzle are discovered. And another is 1988 the first MEMS conference of MEMS technology. And 1992 the first micro machine hinges are developed by using the MEMS technology. And 1993 the first surface micro machining accelerometer sold. His name is analog device ADXL15. And another is 1959 biomems rapidly developed. So lots of application are given in nowadays for MEMS technology, and also used for the military service, defense, automobiles company. Most of smart car are making using by MEMS technology. And after 2000 MEMS optical network component become a big business. So after that 2000, after 2000 is developed in our most country, so using making MEMS like device. So thank you.